Hi, this is Krishna Merchant and thank you for joining us for the market roundup. The Indian markets ended slightly lower on Monday after hitting an all-time high after the Supreme Court verdict that the coal block allocations between 1993 and 2010 would be illegal. However, the final verdict is awaited on September 1st. The Sensex closed at 26,437, slightly lower, and the Nifty also ended at 7,906. Both the indices touched an all-time high today. Foreign institutional investors continued to pour in money into the Indian markets. As of Friday, they had invested around $50 million. Until date, they were investors of over $12 billion. Among individual stocks, it was the resources shares which were the worst hit after the Supreme Court verdict. Jindal Steel and Power lost 14%. Hindalco Industries was down around 10%. Tata Steel and Sesa Sterlite, they both lost 5% and 4% each. The losses were offset by gains in some of the blue chip shares. TCS was up around 2.4% and Hindustan Unilever was up 1.8%. Jet Airways plunged almost 5% after rating agency ICRA reduced its rating to D from AA, citing delay in debt servicing. Among other firms that were in focus was Maruti Suzuki. The shares were up 2% after Credit Suisse upgraded the stock, citing better product launches, more product launches and margin expansion. All eyes are now on the derivative expiry at the end of this week and also the GDP data, and markets may be slightly cautious because of that. Also, global markets were mixed after the weekend. Over the weekend, the Fed meeting at Jackson Hole indicated that there might be interest rate hike happening sometime slightly sooner than expected, citing a slightly hawkish stance. That is all for today. Do stay tuned to livemint.com for more updates.